if you're experiencing lag spikes in Overwatch 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings to reduce the load on your system. Lower the graphics settings, disable VSync, and reduce the resolution if necessary. This can help improve performance and reduce lag. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Overwatch 2, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or downloads can consume bandwidth and processing power, leading to lag spikes. Step 4. Update network drivers. Ensure that your network drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your network adapter and download the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers updated can improve connectivity and performance. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and can significantly reduce lag and latency issues during gameplay. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize lag spikes in Overwatch 2 and enhance your overall gaming experience. Remember to regularly check your connection and settings for optimal performance.